How to log in into Luton Council tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how to log in into your Luton Council tax account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser that is available on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Luton Council Tax Login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites like this will be appeared on your screen. From these different websites and links, click on the first one that says login or sign up for online services. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Here you can see different options, from which in order to log in into your account, tap on Council Tax or Manage your Council Tax option. Now here on this page you can find some of the important notices or information that may be useful for you. So you can just read it if it is important for you. Now in order to log in, scroll down until you see this green button that says login or register. Click on it. Wait for some second and here you will be directed to this page where you need to enter your username and password in order to sign in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password option. So simply enter all of your required valid information and tap on sign in button, and with that you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.